Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Audubon, which is located in Magnolia, Texas, which is north of Houston. This beautiful home that we're viewing today is built by Perry. It is called the 3300. Now the 3300 is also the amount of square footage in this one-story home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it's going to be priced at a little over the $780,000 mark. Now, if you are concerned about what schools your children will be zoned to, please make sure that you remember that this particular community is sectioned off into 2 different parts. One is called Creekside North and one is called Creekside South. This community is going to have a brand new school open up in the fall of 2024 called Audubon Elementary School. Now, both North and South Creekside will be attending this school, but when it comes to the intermediate schools and the high schools, your children might be zoned to different schools. So if you are in Creekside North, you will be zoned to Bear Branch Intermediate, Bear Branch Junior High, and Magnolia High School. If you are zoned to Creekside South, you will be zoned to Magnolia Intermediate, Magnolia Junior High, and Magnolia West High School. But remember, before you sign that contract, always ask which side you are going to be zoned to if you prefer one school over the other. And always remember that your school zones might change at any moment. In advance, you will know, but as long as the community is building, you might be zoned to different schools a couple of years after you move into your home. Now, if you have any questions about this community or this home or any other real estate questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And do me a big favor, hit that like bell and that subscribe button to be notified of weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of your tour.